matalalle, ei se tuu. Vedetään siihen reilusti yli. Ei sekään tuu.
Ei soi! Mihin tämmönen 8 deppaa katos? Se vaan niinku pysähtyy. Eikä. ...105,984. Eli nyt otetaan ihan samanlainen referenssinä tuot jalkotilasta, missä oli se viimeksi otettu luku, niin tsekataan vähän millainen tää nyt toimii. Menikö taas päälle noin? Roikkii noin fucking 106,107. Kato mitä tapahtui lasille. Tuli toinen. LOL. Kokeillaan 20.
How low can you go?
Hello YouTube, so as you can see, so far everything works okay, nothing goes protect mode. The amp is giving so much power now that the smell of the coils is very present. I managed to get roughly over 10,000 watts out. Impedance was 1.67 and I think we got like 6,000 watts per amplifier out. Everything went quite nice. We broke the windshield, as you can see. It's not that bad, but it has. I already cracked it from there, but the cracking has spread all over the place. My windscreen wipers are gone. Both are broken. They went just blah. And everything vibrates so much that this windscreen washing came to the window and actually I'm not sure if something else broke here, but it was fine. We got some results. In the kick panel we managed 161 dBs, and on the windshield we gained 159.8 something. So close, but not 160 into the windshield, roughly on the dB drag place. Hot seat is gone now, as I'm just testing the 6th order bandpass. The sound is not that nice. I don't like the sound of 6th order bandpass. It is quite precise on the fast drums, but the sound does not have the authority of a 4th order bandpass. If you play songs with 4th order bandpass, it's soft but with really good bounce. But now with 6th order bandpass, it's just peaks so much. sounds painful. It sounds hard. It's not the sound that I like. I want it to be loud but soft, not loud and hard. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this 6-order band pass here. Maybe I will be sealing it up, adding some more dampening materials into the seal section to gain more softer sound from it. And we tested also on the headrest. It does 158 decibels roughly with 48 hertz and with 28 hertz. So the bandwidth with the 6th order is quite nice. With 4th order you get the 28 hertz is 157.4, and the higher tones are 155 or something. So with 6th order bandpass you get much wider and louder bandwidth of the sound. Doors open, and so far so good. I'm not sure if I show you this, my windscreen. As you can see here, my windscreen is completely broken now from many sides, so it's okay, I guess. We had fun. We took some term lab results, and my friend was sitting on the hot seat there. Well, there's no seat, but he was sitting there and told me that the 160-161 dBs is a bit loud. Nothing funny to be with, but so far so good. On the next video I think we will be testing this more out, trying to get some wins or something, but it's on the next video. Like if you like, dislike if you dislike, and leave a comment. See you on the next video. Bye bye.